Welcome to episode 6 of the Woxo mini-series. Today, we're talking about scenes, the key to tailoring your story. First, open Woxo and get started. Select the video you want to edit and click on the scenes icon in the sidebar. Here, you'll find a preview of every single scene in your video. Don't like a specific visual? No problem. You can click on Regenerate Background or directly upload your own images and videos to keep it personal. Click on Add Assets, click on the image, then click on Submit. Need more depth? You can easily modify the script for each specific moment. Add new scenes to expand your story, or delete the ones you don't need. Once you've perfected your story, click Apply Changes to update your entire project. It's that easy. Custom scenes in seconds. Start creating with Woxo today.